Good evening, teacher. I am going to explain one of the first skills of all in English language, and that is speaking skill. So let's work together and learn through all this learning process. Let's do this. As I said before, I will use the speaking skill, in which it will be implemented on intermediate level students, which they are going to have some conversations. The objective of this learning is that students will be able to speak and create sentences with any tense based on their experience. Let's practice the skill. Activity number 1. Tell your partner. In this activity, students are face-to-face answering some questions that the teacher is writing on the board. So let's look at the example.
Your first question is, what are you wearing today? Tell your partner.
In this activity, they tell their partner, and then with the older cycle, move one step to the left.
And your next question, number 2 on the board. Tell your partner something you don't have. Alright? Change your partner as the next question is, tell your partner of your own toy.
So the teacher's primary role is to monitor the students, and she intervenes only if the students needs to clarify something. Let's move to the next activity. Activity number 2. In this activity is called Ask Basic Questions. These questions are made for the teacher, in which they will provide the students will provide some answers to the teacher. Let's look at example.
I want to be in my camera,
What's your favorite room in your house?
my bedroom.
Federica, please tell me what you like doing at home.
I like listen music.
The purpose of the two activities are to make students speak, to make them practice their pronunciation and their vocabulary in order to develop this skill that is called speaking. So this is all for my presentation. Thank you.